This video covers the field reversing of the cabinet door. Before removing the cabinet doors, ensure that the unit is powered off and has cooled down. Using a 7/16 wrench, remove the doors from the cabinet. Ensure to remove all the hinges and bolts. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove all the filler screws on the opposite side cabinet face and move to where the door hinges were. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the strike plate. Flip the strike plate so the top side is now the bottom side, and mount to the cabinet face on the opposite side. Cabinets with one door and the bottom door of a two-door cabinet have to have the inner sleeve flipped. Lay the door down on a flat, clean surface with the gasket side facing up. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove all door screws except for the magnet screw. Using a small screwdriver, knife, or scraper, carefully break the RTV seal at the bottom of the door. Carefully lift the inner sleeve up and away from the outer sleeve. Flip the inner door so the bottom is now the top, and then carefully set the inner sleeve down into the outer sleeve. Next, remove any dried excess RTV from the door top. Replace all of the door screws. Apply a bead of food-grade silicone to the bottom edge of the door and then wipe clean. Secure the bottom hinge on the cabinet face where the filler screws were and replace the doors. After the doors are replaced, adjust the doors until they close properly. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the Winston customer care team.